Hello friends, welcome to my channel RG Innovations. In today's video, I am going to show you how to interface a 16 by 2 LCD module with an Arduino. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell button to get all the updates. Many of us think that linking a 16 by 2 LCD module with an Arduino is very tough, but it's not that. We can easily connect a 16 by 2 LCD with an Arduino and interface that. So today we are going to show how to connect an 16 by 2 LCD with an Arduino and display text on it. Also in the programming we will show how you can make a big line scroll on a single line in the 16 by 2 LCD. So let's start. Before starting, I request you to please subscribe to our channel for more videos, and if you like the video, please hit the like button. Here I have a 16 by 2 LCD and here I have one Arduino Uno. A 16 by 2 LCD without an I2C module looks like this, but in the actual package this header does not exist. I have soldered this header for the ease of use. So you can also solder a female header here from pin number 1 to pin number 16. There are 16 pin out for this 16 by 2 LCD for the interfacing, and the detail of the interfacing pins will be found here. All the connections are given here. If you can see, I take it a little closer. You can see pin number 1 is the VSS and ground. Pin number 2 is VCC for the positive connection. Pin number 3 VEE is for adjusting the contrast of the LCD. Number 4 is RS. Number 5 RW. Number 6 is E enabled. And number 7 to number 10 are not required for interfacing. That is data bus 0 to data bus 3 is not required. We will need DB4 to DB7. In pin number 11, 12, 13, 14, and for the background LED, pin number 15 and pin number 16 are required. So we will move on to the interfacing part. Please see in the circuit for the detailed connectivity. For the ease of connection, I have made a header patch that easily connects with an Arduino and interfaces the 16 by 2 LCD. As I said earlier, a pin number 7 to pin number 10 are not required, so you can simply keep those and make a header line. I have given a circuit for the header connection. You can easily make a header like this for interfacing the LCD with Arduino. So we are putting the first 6 pins and skipping the next 4 pins, putting the last 6 pins. So together 12 pins are required and 4 pins in the middle are not required. I have given a circuit for this. You can follow the circuit, and here I have connected one touch sensor module TTP223 that goes to pin number 15 and 16 for adjustment of the backlight LED. Once we touch this, the LED will glow, and we move our hand, the LED will turn off. So this is as simple as that. Once again I have given the circuit for this connection, this wiring diagram. You can check it from the circuit. Now we will interface with the Arduino. So for interfacing this with the Arduino, I have taken some jumper cables. The first pin goes to ground. The second pin goes to 5 volt. The third pin goes to pin number 8 of the Arduino. The fourth pin goes to pin number 9 of the Arduino. 5th pin goes to pin number 10 of the Arduino. 6th pin from this header goes to pin number 11 of the Arduino. 7th pin from this header, female header, goes to pin number 12 of the Arduino, and the 8th pin goes to pin number 13 of the Arduino. So you can see it is very simple connecting this interface. Now I will power up the Arduino and program it. So I will connect the Arduino with the USB. So as I have already programmed this, you can see the text started scrolling here. So you can see the text is scrolling here, and if I touch this here, the LED will glow. I'll move my hand, this will stop glowing. Now you can see whenever I touch this touchpad, this LED glows, and whenever I move my hand, this LED turns off, the backlight turns off. Now let's look at the code. I have already uploaded the sketch in this Arduino. So as I powered up the device, it started scrolling the text. Now we will come to discuss the code. So let's have a look at the code. At the very beginning, we have included a liquid crystal.h that drives the LCD. Then we have assigned the pin numbers of the LCD module with the Arduino pin number, with the Arduino pins. Then we have defined an object liquid crystal LCD with the pins that were assigned. Now a string variable that stores the welcome message. Screen width is 16, screen height is 2. We can also add 20x4 LCD modules here with the screen width 20 and screen height to 4. Now setting the cursor position, X position 0 and Y position should also be 0. Now in the setup part, we are beginning the LCD, we are initializing the LCD with LCD.begin with the specified screen width and height. Then clearing the LCD with LCD.clear and putting a short delay for the initialization. Now in the loop part, we are clearing the LCD first, then LCD.noCursor means the cursor will not show at the position, and then this code, this loop particularly doing the scrolling part of the message, a longer message, longer than the screen width, is scrolling through the single line. So this code is doing that part, and after that part is done, we are setting the cursor to 0, 0 position, that is the beginning position, and then we are printing A equal to 5, B equal to 6, and then putting the cursor to the second line with the screen position Y and X to 0 and 1, then printing A plus B equal to 11 and showing the cursor again with a delay of 5 seconds. So that is the code, very simple code, you can easily copy. I have given the link for the download of the code, so you can easily download the sketch and upload to your Arduino board and connect or interface and any LCD module with your Arduino and use it in any program. So today, after this, in the next video, we will come up with some different module with some different tutorial, I request you to please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for more videos, and do not forget to click the bell icon so that whenever we upload any video you get the notification. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice time.